got a way of coming back around every now and again. When you get a second chance, don't turn it down. Take a shot in